How to hard reset Poco M7 and M7 Pro. Step 1. Turn off your Poco M7 Pro 5G by pressing the power key. Step 2. Press and hold the power button and volume up simultaneously. Step 3. Once the Poco logo appears, release the power key while continuing to hold the volume up. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.